Once upon a time, in a village, there was a small, warm village bakery. Every morning, the baker began her work. She mixed the flour with gentle hands. She set the dough aside to rest. She kneaded the dough with patient hands. A young apprentice arrived to help today. She set the dough aside to rest. The apprentice watched the dough doing nothing. She was in a hurry that morning. She put the dough straight into the oven. It looked ready, but was not inside. This time they waited, and the dough rested. The baker mixed a fresh new batch slowly. The dough rose quietly, all by herself. When ready, she was gently placed inside. The whole bakery filled with warmth and bread. The bread came out perfectly golden and soft. Some things cannot be hurried. Still becoming. Are you rushing something not yet ready inside?